So this is the laundry folding and sorting room. This room would be used to sort out the wash once it had been washed and rough dried. The sailors that worked in here, we have a wartime photograph of them showing that they were able to work in their skivvies. This is one of the few places on the ship where they were authorized to work in their skivvies or their underwear. It was very hot back here. Everything is steam driven, so it would be easily 120 degrees back here at any given time. We do know that at least one guy slept up on his top rack, because the picture here has his bedding stored on the top shelf here. So one of the guys did sleep back here. This area would have been extremely busy, working 24/7. Guys working in 8-hour shifts, sorting, folding, moving laundry on to the next phase out the line.